Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Deathbed by Powfu. First of all, I want to say thank you guys for being so patient. I haven't been able to do a ukulele tutorial or play at all because I sprained my wrist and I wasn't able to turn it this way and hold it. I could only turn like this, so if I tried I'd have to do this, but now I'm back to normal. Thank you guys for liking all the skateboarding stuff I've been doing. I've been wanting to do that more, but I just haven't really had the chance, and then spraining my wrist just happened to work out good, so now I can do my skateboarding and my ukulele stuff on this channel, and both stuff are going to be posted on the weekends. I can't decide if skateboarding is going to be Friday and ukulele on Saturday, or ukulele on Friday, or skateboarding on Saturday. I don't know. Either way, it doesn't matter. I'm going to be posting both of them, so thank you guys for sticking around. So let's get started. Make sure you have your ukuleles, and make sure they're in tune. G, C, E, A. And this song only has 4 chords, so it's super easy. Let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, so the chords in the song are pretty easy. There's no bar chords, not like a Boy With Uke song, and this one's pretty easy. The first chord is a C, which is just this bottom string on the 3rd fret. You can use your pointer finger to press it, your middle finger, or your ring finger. I don't know why, but I chose my ring finger this time. I think I usually do my middle finger, but that's a C. The next chord is an E minor, which is the staircase one. So you want to put your index finger on the bottom string 2nd fret, your middle finger on the 3rd string 3rd fret, and then your ring finger on the 2nd string 4th fret. E minor. The chord after that is an F, which is your pointer finger on the 3rd string 1st fret, and then your middle finger on the top string 2nd fret. F. The chord after that is F minor, which looks like this. It's kind of strange, but it's basically just your pointer finger on the top string 1st fret, your middle finger on the 3rd string 1st fret, and then your pinky on the bottom string 3rd fret. And that's all the chords for the entire song. C, E minor, F, and F minor. Now let's go ahead and get to the strumming pattern. Okay, so there's only one strumming pattern in the song, and it's a pretty basic one that I feel like you kind of learn as you play ukulele, but it goes like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So for C, it'll be down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then E minor, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, to F, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then F minor, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And that's the entire song. So you would literally just do that over and over again, and it would sound like this. Now let's go ahead and try to sing at least the chorus of this song. Don't stay awake for too long, but don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed. Don't stay awake for too long, but don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed. Well, I hope that tutorial helped you guys learn how to play Deathbed by Powfu. Thank you guys for requesting this song. It's a really nice one, really easy for those beginners out there. And yeah, it's nice to be back playing some ukulele. But also, if you like skateboarding, I do that stuff too. So I'll see you guys in the next video. A creature with 2 heads, sleeping in 2 beds. Is it sweet?